Okay, we're in a trade right now, and this is from the Panda Platinum. Okay, um, it's just hard to do a video and trade at the same time, but here's where we got the signal here. Okay, we have this this lower indicator. Both of them have closed above the zero line, so we have a blue dot here and a hash mark also above the zero line. Okay, so we enter right here at the close of the first bar, which is blue. Okay, and right on the open of the next one. Okay, so we simply on this trade we're having a target of twice the risk. So in this case we have 20 ticks risk on this with a 40 tick profit target. Okay, and that'll be adjusted as the trade goes in our favor. So after it gets to 20 ticks, we'll move up the stop here. It's in the ATM strategy, and when it gets to 30 ticks, we'll lock in some profits. And so yeah, so this is just showing you what's going on in the Panda Platinum Divergence system. So we have here a signal of divergence. So we enter in the next possible blue bar. This trade is a perfect trade because it's right on this important pivot point here. Okay, so this is where we want to enter. This is the best place, and it's right above the blue panda line. It's a blue because it's because price is above it. So we only look for long trades here. Here was another divergence signal, but we don't enter this because it's counter trend. So we would only enter a divergence if we have double divergence, but we don't. So this is a trade that you wouldn't take because it's counter trend, and also it's too close to the panda line for a reversal. So we're just sticking with the trend trades here, and we'll see how this trade turns out. And just a reminder, we have in this system we have this color background, which is blue. So which reminds you to be looking only for long trades. Okay, so this is a good visual to have, and combined with the other filters, which are the slope indicator. Of course, it needs to be positive if you're taking long signals, like in this one when we went long here, that the slope was in fact positive, and which corresponded to the lower indicators here. So these are your filters here. So the trade, in order for a trade to be taken, these filters need to be in line with each other. Okay, and I was also able to enter into an exact position here because I have these closing bar indicators, so I know exactly. I can know in advance where the first color change bar will occur. So that's just something easy to have, just so you can be ready for upcoming trades. Okay, so we'll see what happens in this trade. Okay, so anyway, we're still in this trade here. Now, scalping to me is trading with less reward than risk for the most part, and this is something we don't do. So we need to have equal risk to reward for all trades. This is something I believe in because over time, if your stops are greater than your reward, then you're going to come out on the losing end So, for example, this one, we can bring it down here to 107.46, which will make it exactly 20 ticks target and 20 ticks of a stop. So this is the lowest risk reward ratio we go with. So we'll just leave it here for now and see if it hits us in this basic trade here. So there's many different target profits that I suggest and recommend that the user implement in their trading regularly, because just having a one-to-one risk on all trades, well, that means you're going to miss out on the bigger moves that the market offers. So, and at the same time, just going for the bigger moves all the time will eliminate the positivity coming from nailing small trades over and over. So there needs to be a balanced approach to targets. And this is something I go over in the Panda Platinum course here. So, and there's many other ways to trail profits. Even these bars are especially nice because they can keep you in a trend for a good move. So anyway, we do go over that. So let's just see if we get filled here at 20 ticks.
Target filled.
Okay, so we just got out of this and made a quick one-to-one risk to reward ratio trade. Okay, this Panda Platinum, this is just a basic setup off of the Divergence here. Okay, this automatically plots and gives you an audio alert, so it makes it easy if you're trading multiple markets. So you can just hear the alert, and if everything lines up, enter in the trade. If you're watching it, then you can wait and look at the divergence forming as it's going in real time. So, and then you can enter in using these closing price indicators, so you get in at the close of the first bar. All right, that's it here.